What is up, guys? My name is Ethan. I'm back here at Worldwide RV, and today we're going to do a short video on some of the best RV accessories that you should own if you're in the RV industry. Whether you're a rookie to the scene or a veteran who's been around it for a long time, some of these RV accessories you might not even have heard of before. But come take a walk with us. We're going to break this up into 3 parts. That's going to be must-have, should-have, and nice-to-haves. So if you already have the basics, go ahead and skip to this time here to get to the should-haves. But let's go ahead and get started with the first. That's going to be sewer hose. The first thing and most important on the must-have list is going to be a sewer hose or two. This is how you're going to empty your black and gray tanks so that you don't leave it in there and stank up your unit. How you're going to actually use and actuate this is first remove the cover off the cap from your black water tank. Hook up the hose right here and give her a good twist. Make sure she's on there tight so you don't get hit with the poop water. And then come right above, you're going to see this little black handle here. There's also one for the gray tank right over there. So you're simply going to give this a tug. All your black juices will start flowing out down your hose. So make sure you have that in a safe and clean spot. Next up, an absolute must-have is going to be an RV water pressure regulator. This is important not only for the safety reasons, but because 99% of campsites won't allow you to stay there without one of these. Next is going to be a spare pack of fuses. As a new RVer, you're probably going to blow some, and realistically that's what breakers are for. But having spare fuses can absolutely save your trip, and you can get a pack just like this that ranges from 3 amps up to 30 amps for less than $30, so why not just invest? Next up, we have the should-haves. These are things that you don't necessarily need or must have, but that'll make the ownership experience a lot more enjoyable and keep your RV maintained for a lot longer of a time. First thing we have is going to be a slide topper over here. What this is going to do is going to not only protect the seals on your slide, but protect the roof so that you don't get something gunked up in there. It starts beating it up. Having that slide topper truly is a great investment, and you can get that put on any fifth wheel RV or even a travel trailer. One more thing for you guys. Here, as we can see, we have a backup camera. This truly is a marriage saver when you're parking into those tight spots and will make things a lot easier. When you have people at the campsite who are trying to guide you in, yelling at you to stop, you just gotta tell them, chill out, bro. I got a backup camera. What are you talking about? Next up, these 3 products are gonna be for cleaning and maintaining your RV. First up, we have Seal Safe. What this is gonna do is all the rubber seals around the outside of your RV and going in and out of your slide is gonna protect the rubber seals all along there and make them last much longer. Moving along, we have both the Clean It and Scrub It accessories. This one's for your black tank to keep everything in there smelling good and maintaining your black tank, whereas this is for your toilet to keep it look good and smelling good. Right over here, you have a jack stand or jack block. This is used for when you're parked in the dirt. You can put this under your front jack or under the front too if you have a fifth wheel. And whether it rains, snows, whatever, whether it gets muddy, you're not going to be sinking into the dirt. This thing will keep it up, and it's a lot more surface area than just that single jack. The next thing that you should have with any trailer, whether it's an RV, boat, jet skis, whatever you may have, is going to be wheel chocks. This is going to save your trailer from rolling down. Even if you think you're on a flat surface, if a big gust of wind or a storm comes, it can roll away, and that is not a good day for anyone. So invest a few dollars to get some wheel chocks, or just throw a 2x4 under there for all I care. The next thing that you should have in your travel trailer or fifth wheel is going to be a battery disconnect, just like this. A lot of new travel trailers and fifth wheels will have these included, but you want to make sure yours does, and if it doesn't, you can get one added at a very fair price. Next thing on our nice to have list is going to be a portable generator, just like this one here. This is a 4500 watt, operates at about 3700, but it doesn't matter what generator you have, as long as you have one. If you have one built into your unit already, awesome, it won't hurt to have a spare. But if you don't have one, this truly will be a lifesaver. And if you've had experience with generators in the past, they have gotten a lot quieter and a lot more efficient, so you don't have to worry about running it through gas all the time.